What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Tech Video video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install all of your drivers in one click. It's very simple. This software makes your life easier. So if you click on one button, it will find all the drivers you need on your machine and install into your machine. Okay? It's that simple. So if you want to find some drivers, let's say your video drivers is up to not up to date, or your other drivers, or your say mouse drivers, or something like that, or you don't know which driver you need to upload. So this software will help you every one of them. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Google and type driver booster. Don't worry, this is totally free software. It has a paid version, but I think free version is fine. Click on free download and click on open to open the setup. Okay, once you come here, click on install. Now it's asking for some VPN and something. Just make sure this is check no thanks and click next. Because this company is having so many system caps, drive updates, antiviruses and stuff. So it's just asked for you want this uh, VPN and system care also for your computer. So that's it. So this is the software. I'm gonna minimize this window and you just need to click on scan. Now it will scan all of your drivers and see whether they need to update or not. So as you can see, I have 12 outdated device drivers. I have batteries, Bluetooth, and adapters and stuff. Now, what you need to do is click on this Update Now button. It will download all the necessary drivers and install into your machine. So for now, I'm gonna untick and uh, select on the Bluetooth and batteries, and I'm gonna close this window and click Update Now. Don't remind me and click OK. Now it's installing installing the drivers for these two, which is batteries and Bluetooth drivers. See, that's it. Now I only have 10 outdated drivers. Everything is updated. So once you install this one, just click on all the outdated drivers and click update. It will download all the drivers and update your machine. Update your drivers to your machine. Okay. So that's it for today's video. This is very simple software. You can check it out. It has some other features like game boost and stuff. I'm not using those, so I'm only using for drivers to update, and I think it works really good. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope this video helps you try to find out how to update all the drivers in one go. And if that's the case, like this video, subscribe this channel, and see you next time with another video like this. Bye bye.